I'm Selim Pullu. My wife is Handan Pullu. We have 4 sons. The youngest one is Ege, who diagnosed with autism. That's why we are in this country. We came here recently.
Problems actually started when we couldn't actually get a diagnosis for him. We went through a lot of doctors, which they said he's so young, he's a boy, he'll talk late, there's nothing wrong with him. But we knew there was, prior having 3 other kids, we knew there was something wrong with our child.
Ne yapıyorsun Ege?
This diagnosis make you stronger. It depends how you look at it. If you think that I am just without a clue, or I can't do anything now, so this happens and I have to, get this thing burden. We can't do anything really to help your child.
Our son was not non-verbal a year ago, and now he's speaking. He's saying every word in the dictionary, I guess. That's the biggest improvement we can ask for, and we weren't even hoping for that, and that just happened. And
10 little monkey jumping on the bed. One of them just fell down. 9 little monkey jumping on the bed.
And he also made up the sentences sometimes. It's not in the correct form, but we understand what he wants or what he needs. That's the important thing for us. He rocks, he spins, he yells, he just runs like a crazy at home.
Ege he fits in. Sometimes he has his issues, he has his tantrums, but we know how to manage it, and we go through the day well. We have a lot of issues with our diet, so that's our main concern area.
Developing a relationship is very important issue in this subject. But first of all, it starts in the family. It must start in the family. You have to get a good relationship, good communication skills in the family members about this subject. Everyone must know what is going on and must know what needs to be done. Be proud. Don't feel bad about him. Just be proud, because they will feel about it.